Welcome to the enchanting world of Neelakurinji Biodiversity Knowledge Center in Adimali, a gateway to the magnificent Munnar Hill Station. On this historic day, Saturday, the 23rd of September 2023, a remarkable initiative has come to life. Neelakurinji, a biodiversity knowledge center, has been inaugurated, brought to you by the State Haritha Keralam Mission, the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, and the Idukki District Panchayat. Nestled within the walls of Government High School in Adimali, this immersive knowledge center celebrates the wonders of our natural world. Step inside to discover an awe-inspiring collection of displays and wall paintings showcasing the beauty of evergreen forests. But that's not all. Neelakurinji also presents a captivating glimpse into the lives of the Muthuvan tribal community, showcasing the traditional mud house and household items. Two touchscreen kiosks offer a gateway to an extensive collection of over 50 short videos. Immerse yourself in these captivating visuals and learn about the rich biodiversity and cultural heritage of the Idukki district. Journey further into the heart of this center, and you'll encounter a remarkable 3D map of the area. This vivid display provides a captivating visual of the 15 biodiversity hotspots that adorn Munnar. Explore the diverse ecosystem, highlighting the incredible plants, animals, birds, fish, and reptiles that call this area home. As you navigate through the center, let the 25 informative display panels transport you to various locations within the Munnar area of the Idukki district.
Here, we take you on a journey through 15 enchanting biodiversity hotspots that make this place a heaven for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers.
TN Seema, the Haritha Keralam Mission coordinator, reveals the true purpose behind this knowledge center. It serves as a beacon to showcase the unparalleled biodiversity and cultural life of Idukki district, making it the first of its kind within the state. Through this remarkable initiative, visitors to the Knowledge Center will gain a deep understanding of Idukki's natural riches, paving the way for responsible tourism models throughout the district. Embarking on an UNDP eco-restoration project, the Neelakurinji Biodiversity Knowledge Center was born. After its successful completion, the transformation took place, evolving it into the unparalleled knowledge hub it is today. Abraham Koshi, the assistant coordinator of Haritha Keralam Mission, acknowledges the thousands of tourists who flock to various parts of Idukki every day. The valuable insights provided at the center will guide these visitors in selecting from the vast range of biodiversity hotspots, including the renowned Erevikulam National Park, where the legendary Neelakurinji blooms. Plan your visit to the Neelakurinji Biodiversity Knowledge Center, open to the public from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., excluding Mondays. Entry fees have been set at 20 rupees for adults and 10 rupees for children. Step inside this haven of knowledge and embark on a journey of discovery and appreciation for the wonders of nature. Neelakurinji Biodiversity Knowledge Center in Adimali, inviting you to explore and cherish the natural marvels of the Idukki district.